Come with me. What? To meet the wizard.
Why couldn't possibly? This is your moment. I'm coming.
Just watched. It ends with us. I was feeling angry. I was feeling sad. And then at the end, I was like, good for you, girl. I was proud. Blake Lively is that girl.
No, she really is.
Love her.
So my roommate. Oh wait, where?
I have about like 10 minutes to get ready and head out the door for my nail appointment with a tinted SPF. This is my favorite tinted sunscreen. Just gives you a nice, beautiful glow and a light coverage. So I've gone through like 20 of these. I'm not even joking. It's my favorite tinted sunscreen. So go and check out Tower 28 tinted SPF. I'm in the shade 50 Sunset. And it gives me like a cute little tan too. I love it. I feel like there's like little gold specks in there that makes the skin look so luminous. Like, do y'all see it when the light hits it? Just looks so good. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab a latte before this nail appointment. So I need to hurry, because who wants to get their nails done and not have something to sip on, you know? So I need my latte. I'm gonna pumpkin spice chai. Put a little bit on my lips, my cheeks, just to give you a little bit of youthfulness, not washed out. I might have put too much on. It just brings life back into your skin. I love it. And gives your lips a nice little tint. Sorry, I sound raspy. This is my morning voice. I need a hot tea ASAP. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm so excited for a pumpkin chai. I love me anything pumpkin. Oh, this is the Ilia concealer in Kava. Just a little bit to wake these under eyes all creamy and hydrating. This concealer, it feels so nice. See, your eyes was like more awake. I'm gonna go with honey. Love this, just a little bit. I put clear brow gel on my brows, and that is about it. Love this lip balm. It smells so good. I can just eat it. And that's all. It's my quick get ready with me. I'm running out the door. Let's go get my latte. Okay, I'll see you guys at the nail shop.